What is going on, everybody? Hope everyone's having a great weekend. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Black Apino the Apple Guy, and today I am attending VidCon. Actually, should I say it's the last day of VidCon. For those of you who may not know, I'm actually here in Anaheim. Attending this. It's basically a giant convention. It's pretty cool. So I've been attending as a creator because I create content, always learning to do new stuff. So I figured I would try some new foods that I don't have in Alaska. Obviously, those of you who've never been to Alaska, we don't really have a lot of the fast food chains that you have in the lower 48. So I figured I would try Jack in the Box because I had never had a Jack in the Box before. We had one many years back when I moved, first came up to Alaska, but they actually closed down because of some bad stuff. So I was going to try and have some last year, but I found out about Sonics and have that. Now we've got Sonics. So we're going to try Jack in the Box. I ordered a number 4. It's called a jumbo platter or something weird like that. So, and I obviously got it with onion rings or curly fries because Arby's. And yeah, so we're going to try this out because I figured, hey, my first food vlog in ever. So we're going to see what it tastes like and see if it's actually as good as people say it is. So obviously I'm going to try the curly fries. Because for me, curly fries, I love curly fries. If you ever had Arby's curly fries, you know about curly fries. So I sort of tastes about the same. So we're going to try the hamburger. I believe I got something called a jumbo cheese. So it's a number 4 for those of you who know what Jack in the Box is. So it's a little small. Picture kind of gives it a deceiving look, like it's going to be a rather big, burger, because obviously the name's Jumbo. So, well, we'll see what it tastes like. Not gonna lie, the burger on this tastes a lot better than it does on Carl's Jr.'s burgers. It's not to say that Carl's Jr.'s makes bad burgers or is better than this, or this is better than Carl's Jr.'s. I'm just saying this burger, when you bite into it, you can actually tell it's really good. And it's moderately priced. I mean, it's only like I paid $8.06 for it because I got it the large size. So I got it with a large curly fry and this rather exceptionally large cup, which is a lot larger than I thought it would be. So, as I would say, yeah, if you've never had a Jack in the Box before, I highly recommend it. I mean, you don't have to get the number 4, but definitely get it with curly fries because curly fries make all the difference when it comes to eating a burger with fries. It's just wonderful. So you can get ketchup, but it's just normal ketchup. It's not like the special sauce that you get from like Raising Cane or some other chain restaurants who may have something special. But it's kind of cool when you can get a burger with the option of getting something other than fries. Sonics obviously does the same thing also with tater tots. So when I'm here or in town, I order Sonics, I get it with the tater tots. Now that I had Jack in the Box, when I come here, I get it with curly fries. So again, I want to thank everybody for watching. I will be dropping some more content when I get back to Anchorage, when I get back to Alaska. So obviously by the time you see this content, I'll already be in Alaska. So I'll have a lot more content beyond this when I get back. So hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't. And just a quick reminder, I am doing a giveaway of a GoPro once I reach 245 subscribers. And that's it. So again, everybody have a great weekend and see you all.